Hello, my name is Bill, and today I'm going to show you a fantastic recipe for chicken parmesan that doesn't have any breading. Love this recipe. My sister used to make it. I've made it a couple times, but I figured this was something easy. So I got my chicken breast. I got two half breasts that I cut in half, so I've got 4 nice pieces. And I've got this little slurry. This is oregano thyme, Italian parsley, and some minced garlic, a little olive oil to make a little slurry here. And it's really simple. I buy the thyme and oregano in the grocery store in these little packets. You just pluck all the little leaves off. That was probably the hardest thing. If the stalks are kind of thick, you can just take a knife and kind of scrape them off, either way, and then just mince it up real good. So the key to this is, instead of breading, I'm going to take this and we're going to put it on the chicken. I'm going to show you how. Take one of my nice pieces of chicken here, and I'm going to put my stuff on here. Obviously, we're going to contaminate, so you have to throw away whatever's left because you're going to get chicken in there. This is just so much fun. Make sure we get nice and spread out. Keep a paper towel close at hand. Bring this over. And now, I don't want to really tenderize it, I just want to work. So I'm not going to use the little claw size. I just want to take the flat side. If you've got one of those flat tenderizers, that works better. I don't have one, so I just make do with this. Just get it nice and kind of beat in there. And take a piece of chicken. So both sides nice coated. Put it right in here. Down just a little bit. Take another one. Already smells good. A little splatter here. You know, whenever you deal with chicken, want to remove as much liquid as you can, so I always wipe it with a little paper towel. A little bit like this. Ready for number 2. Smells great, looks great. All right, let's keep it coming. The key to this is you don't want to overcook the chicken, but you don't want to mess with it until it's ready. Okay. So these are probably just about ready to flip. I don't want to have the pan too crowded, so I'm going to get the first one that I did, flip it over. Beautiful. Got the second one I did. Give me just a second. It's a little bit thicker. Check over here. I got some of my spaghetti sauce that I'm heating back up. I had it in the freezer. I got a link to the sauce I made. So that's going to be ready. Alright. smells really good. So I'm going to put my third piece in. So I got room for. About time we get that nice and started. Be ready to take the first one out. Now I know, time to take that first piece out. I got a pan over here. That'll allow me to put the last one out, and then I can clean this mess up while it's cooking. Alright, make some room. Take this out. I want to make sure I have enough room in my pan. This really smells good. So once again, you can't smell it. There's nothing like fresh herbs. I'll rinse my hands off real quick. I remember I have a sink right here. See what this is doing. Great. See how easy this is? This is great. Love it. Smell it. Alright. So I'm going to get the teeny guy out. So I got my sauce that I got nice in here. Got some cheese. I thought I gotta do something different this time. And I usually use mozzarella. But I get this sharp provolone cheese that I think is just really good. So I'm just gonna kind of tear it up and make sure I get enough on each piece. We can go a little crazy. All right, looks great, looks great. Alright, so I got my little sauce here. And I just want to drizzle some on. We don't need to have a whole lot of excess sauce in the pan here, because we can always use it right out of the pot when we serve it up. So I just want enough to get in there and flavor it up a little bit. Nice big chunks of basil. Meals like this are really easy because I keep all the ingredients in the freezer. I can just get them out at any time. Alright, 350. Only going to take about 5 minutes. That's just enough time for me to get things cleaned up a little bit. And we'll see you right back. Alright. 5 minutes flies. Actually, I left in there an extra minute. It's more than cooked, but I was cleaning the kitchen. Alright. Oh. Fit for a king. So, did something different. I got a little penne pasta here. Cooked this morning. And I just want to get a piece of chicken out of here. Cheese. So at this point, depending on your preference, you can put a little more sauce on here. I'm going to put a little sauce on the chicken. Just kind of dress it up. But my pasta's got a good bit of olive oil on it, good olive oil. So I just want to throw a little of this on top. Make that pasta just perfect. That is chicken Parmesan. No breading. It's excellent. This is so much fun to make and so much fun to eat. You know, like I said, just make sure you use the fresh herbs. Most of the time is spent cooking it in the pan, but we wanted to put it in the oven just to get the sauce to kind of cook into it, get that cheese really melted into it. And let me tell you, this absolutely looks wonderful, tastes even better. So this is the kind of stuff that I hope you try. Certainly subscribe, subscriptions are important, and comment, those are important too. But this is the kind of stuff we need to just start venturing out, experiment with, and have a great time. See you later.